Good morning everyone. In this video of English grammar, I will teach you the next lesson of English grammar, that is synthesis. As in the previous video, I taught you that synthesis is the combination of sentences. We change two or more sentences into one sentence according to its rule is called synthesis. As in the previous video, I was teaching you to create simple sentence by two simple sentences. From two simple sentences, we have to create one simple sentence. So let us begin formation of simple sentence. Remember that we have to change two simple sentences into one simple sentence, two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence, and it is the formation of simple sentences. Let us first understand what is simple sentence. We must have a knowledge about simple sentence. If we have no knowledge about it, it is too difficult to understand. So we must first learn what is simple sentence. The simple sentence is the sentence that has a subject and a verb. As it is well known that a simple sentence has at least one subject and at least one verb. Without subject or without verb, no sentence can take form. So a simple sentence is a sentence that has at least one subject and one verb. It is a simple sentence. Now let us see how we convert using participle. Convert a simple sentence into simple sentence by using participle. When we change it into a simple sentence, from two simple sentences, there should be only one subject. Always remember that there should be only one subject. When we are changing simple sentences, two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence, we must remember that there should be only one subject. Especially when we are using participle, two or more finite verb and two or more finite verb should be in it. Always remember that the subject of the sentence should be one and the main verb or finite verb should be two or more. The finite verb is the verb that change according to the subject, and the tense of the sentence is called finite verb. The finite verb is the verb that change according to the subject, and according to the tense is called finite verb. So simple sentence is a sentence that consists at least one verb and one subject, and when we change it according by using the participle, we should remember that there should only one subject and two or more finite verbs. We change one verb into participle and the another verb remains same as finite verb. As I told you that there should be two verbs in the sentence, and we have to convert one verb into participle, and the second remains same as it is. Participle. Let us now understand participle. What is participle? It is a verb that acts like a verb and an adjective also. A verb or a word that act like a verb and an adjective is called participle. Once more, I am going to teach you. It is a verb that act like a verb, and adjective also is called a participle. It is a verbal adjective. In other words, we can say that it is a verbal adjective. Let us see its kinds. There are three kinds of participle. Let us see which kinds of participle. Number first, simple participle or present participle. Simple participle or present participle. It comes when we use ing in the end of any verb. When we use ing in the end of any verb, it becomes a simple participle or present participle. Next is past participle. Past participle. It is the second or third form of verb. It is the third form of verb. For example, a word is love, and the third form of it is love. Next is perfect participle. Number third, perfect participle. Perfect participle is made by using having and third form. Having and third form, and it shows a complete verb or complete act or deed that is being done in the sentence. Next video, I will teach you to use present participle, past participle, and perfect participle to make a simple sentence from simple sentences. Till then, thank you.